What's up, people? It's your boy. I am the PJ. Back again, another video. It's still November. And y'all mama tears. And now, it'd be a nice day. It'd be a nice day. It'd be that back in the summer. It'll be November 17th. It's freaking Monday right now. I'm got me some practice, so just got me better. Did a left hand Joe shot, so damn, got better than everything. Just take a walk for a few hours, it'll feel good, right? Right now, though, for a few hours, so just, we got some strawberry here, you feel me? Because I eat strawberry be a long time. Because we gotta try to be healthy. We gotta be strong. I already played one the round person, so I would just one to four freaking road, just 1-4 freaking well. Just keep winning, it's a W. You feel me? That's how it's gonna be right now. Strawberry, I put the sugar in it, and that's if it tastes good, put the sugar. Because I didn't put sugar in strawberry, so because I didn't put sugar, I like to put sugar by strawberry. I tell y'all, strawberries is freaking good right now, y'all. Y'all had tried strawberry before? You gotta try it out. That's good. I be just like be healthy strawberry. You gotta have healthy habits, sir. You freaking got your be healthy and for it be a long time did a push up. So but I'm did 20 push-ups, so because I would just nighttime go back to sleep, but keep doing same thing. So just keep doing that and just get strong, but be strong, be healthy. So you know what I'm saying? That does me be better now. I'm just got better everything because I would just be better at everything. I'm gonna be best on my career right now because my career just be becoming a musician. This is what I want to be right myself. So this is I'm gonna try better I am. So with these relaxed strawberry, man. Y'all gonna go get this strawberry right now. That's gonna be healthy right now. What I told you. This is gonna be workout. That's how big I am. So because literally be in the gym to YCA, got an old house. And I got a new house and got a new career right now. So and I got lost of weight too. I was a doctor, got lots of weight. That's what we do right now. I'll be lost of weight, so about 171. So 175. I think this so bad. I'm just smart that before I lost some weight because a long time because I'm be 200 pounds, 210. Well, no, not wait a minute, 210. I'm gonna be say two. Wait, I need 175. That's all to be loss of weight right there, y'all. So that's all to be loss of weight. Just keep doing push-ups on. I ain't did push-ups a long time. Do all the time. Gotta be strong. I freaking can. You feel me? Man, I think strawberry got me put. We that put in the fridge. That be breathe freaking cold. Got me freezing. You feel me? Well, I'm telling you right now. Go get this strawberry. Eat the strawberry all the time. And we'll try to be healthy right now. You wanna feel healthy? You gotta be healthy yourself. Your recovery. You feel me? That's what be feel. You know, eat healthy fruit. You know what I'm saying? Because you gotta eat the healthy fruit. You can't eat the eat a lot of food all the time because you gotta eat that like one time. You gonna do it nighttime and morning time. That's gonna make sense to you, but so makes sense to me because I like eat some fruit. I eat dragon fruit before I got old house. I would just be back to eat some apples for nighttime and eat all that. I like eat some fruit sometimes. It'll be healthy on myself, you feel me? So that's how I myself I feel good right now because I already be a Uber. So but I already did to be a left hand be practice, you know, sometimes the I try to be better every day. That's, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want nobody to better me. You feel me? You know, somebody better me and nobody to let it go. Let it go, man. Nobody need to beat me hard, but just nobody just beat me. That's I was just saying because they're better than me because I was just better them a conversation a prediction this will be due for I use my eye contact try to shoot better than so did the same thing. Alright guys, I'll see y'all next time. Lil PJ is out of here. Wow. Lil PJ is out of here.